Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing Wukong and the resources you need. This makes the chase efficient. Make sure Wukong is at least level 10 and you have stealth or scan items ready. Once set, head to Emberwood at dawn because spawn windows open then. Move to the southern ridge and place a waypoint roughly 1/3 of the way along the trail. This gives you a reference while you begin sweeping the hot vents where mother Flamlings prefer to appear. Once you start searching, focus on environmental cues and signals so you can predict movement. You should watch for larger, steady smoke plumes and heat shimmer. These indicate a mother rather than a juvenile. Scan routinely, about every 30 seconds, because the maternal call has a distinct lower pitch you can hear on scan. Then, follow feeding trails that lead toward lava pools. Mark 2 to 3 likely nests on your map, so you can converge from safe angles and avoid startling her. You finish by closing calmly and setting the capture conditions. Approach from cover and use a slow stealth advance so she won't become aggressive. Patience increases success. Place bait or a calming item at roughly 10 to 15 meters and wait until she is stationary before initiating interaction, because moving her can break the maternal behavior. If she flees, back away and reset for 60 seconds. Check for debuffs, aggressive mobs, or zone conflicts before retrying. This single troubleshooting step fixes most failed attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.